Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you are doing great. Today we are comparing Wix Studio with Squarespace, and I will tell you which website builder is perfect for your demands. So, without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's compare the pricing of the Wix and the Squarespace. So, in Wix, we have two different platforms. We have the Classic Editor and the new Wix Studio. If we compare these plans, you can see that there's not a lot of difference. For the Wix Classic Editor, we have $17 for the light plan. The core plan is $29 per month. The business, which is the recommended plan, is $36. And then we have the business elite, which is $159 per month. In the Wix Studio, we have more scalable pricing. So we have the 19, 27, 34, and 159. So there's not a lot of difference, but in Wix Studio, you have more scalable pricing. So if you have more demand, you can also choose the enterprise plan right here. So for now, I'm going to compare the Wix Studio with the Squarespace because this is far better compared to Wix Classic Editor. If we talk about the Squarespace, we have more cheap plans like we have the personal, which is $16, the business $23, commerce basic is 28, and the advanced commerce is $52. But still, if we compare it with the Wix Studio, I will say that Wix Studio is much better choice. um, Now let's talk about the website builder in general. Which one is better? If you are someone who do not have any knowledge about the website design, I will recommend going with the Squarespace. If you are not inclined towards the looks of the website, like you don't need heavy design, more animation, and you are happy with this kind of basic design, then Squarespace is a good platform for you. But if you want to create and edit your website in a much advanced methods, then Wix Studio is definitely a much better option. It is not only easy to use, but it also has more advanced features, more advanced animations. So, for example, you have the animation for entrance, hover, you have the scroll, loop, mouse effects, and so on. It also supports custom CSS and its own Velo code environment, so you can add your personal codes as well. Squarespace is a great website builder, so it is much better for basic website design, and it is much easier to use. So if you want to edit your website, you can just go here and add any of your elements easily. So you can just add the blocks like this, and it has some pre-made templates, some elements, so you can add them right here. In Wix Studio, you can go right here in the add elements, and you have many elements from here, right? Wix also has its own media folders and its own media as well, premium media, so you can use them however you want. So, in terms of website design, Wix Studio is definitely more flexible, but the learning curve is pretty steep compared to the Squarespace. If you want to use Wix Studio, you have to first learn some things. And the biggest problem compared to the Squarespace in Wix Studio is the responsive behavior. Because it is more flexible, many people, many beginners will find it hard to make a responsive website. Meanwhile, the Squarespace is much easier for designing a responsive website easily. Okay, so because it is a grid pattern, you can easily design your website and make it responsive. So yeah, if you are a beginner and you are not inclined towards much heavy designs, you can definitely go with the Squarespace. Now let's talk about the e-commerce functionality of both the website builders. Both websites allow you to sell your products and services, and the Squarespace has a much better dashboard in terms of ease of use, so you can add all your products, all your services, and everything from a single dashboard. In Wix Studio, you have dedicated apps for each of these plans. So if you go to add elements, you have the store right here. Okay, so you have all the elements, and if you want to add the products, you can go to dashboard and add your products, your services, and everything else right there. But yeah, if you want to have a much easy to use e-store functionality and you don't need some advanced functions, then Squarespace is more than enough for you. In Squarespace, you can add unlimited products, but in the Wix Studio, you can add up to 50,000 products for the plans up to Elite. Okay, if you want to add more than that, then you will have to go with the custom pricing. But in terms of the functionality, Wix Studio definitely has more advanced features compared to the Squarespace. One thing I do like about the Squarespace is the booking of the website builder. It is much easier to use compared to the Wix Studio. So if you want to book your services, then I will recommend going with the Squarespace. It is more easy. So if you want to sell your subscriptions, your services, you can just go here and add your services however you want. Managing your services is much easier in the Squarespace compared to the Wix Studio. It is more robust and it is much easier to use, especially the calendar. The calendar in Squarespace, the setup is much easier. So I will definitely recommend using the Squarespace for the booking services. One thing where Wix Studio excel is the CMS or content management system. So if you want to use the CMS, especially in your website, then Wix Studio is no-brainer, even better than the Shopify, Webflow, and every other platform out there. Wix Studio is definitely far ahead of them. Creating dynamic pages in Wix Studio is much easier and very advanced. Actually, they are adding more features every day. So if you want to create, let's say, team or news or similar kind of pages, then Wix Studio is a good option. If you talk about the apps, both website builder have third-party apps, but Wix Studio definitely has much better apps and third-party integration. Because of the Wix blocks, now it has more free apps as well, a lot more features, a lot more integrations, and so on. SEO is a must have feature for any website builder. And in terms of SEO, the Squarespace has basic SEO for all your pages. And in the Wix Studio, it is very famous for its search engine optimization. They have also enhanced the performance of its static pages. The dynamic pages like blog and product page are still behind, but the static pages can easily go 90 plus in terms of speed and performance. Um, One thing where it lacks though is the other parameter. So that's something you should be careful of. The Squarespace is neither on the higher end or the lower end, so it's in the average. Okay, so you will get the performance of around 86 or 80 around that. But yeah, if I have to give you a verdict, if you are using your website for booking services, or if you are just looking for a basic website to sell your course, your products, then Squarespace is more than enough. But if you are looking for a much robust website builder, and if you are willing to learn the website design, then Wix Studio is definitely much better choice for you. All right. I personally use Wix Studio for my website and I absolutely love it. So yeah, with a little learning curve, Wix Studio is definitely good. But if you are looking for a website builder with a very easy to use interface and a very simple design, very robust design, then Squarespace is much better. You can check out the Squarespace. It gives you 14 days free trial. You can check out the platform. In Wix Studio, you have the free trial for unlimited amount of time, so you can take your time and see how it works with your brand, with your website. See if it has all the features and try it out. But yeah, that's my thought on the website builder. But you should check it out yourself. The thing you should focus on is the performance, the functions, and whether it's getting your work done or not. Okay, so these are your requirements. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.